Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you a few important and basic things about future trades. Guys, the fact is 85 to 95% of the people who carry out future trades by their own will definitely end up in loss. The reason is they'll be lacking basic knowledge and they won't be having any strategies. They'll not be knowing when to enter the trade, when to exit, how to select the leverage, how much to invest, how to use stop loss and various other things. And the important thing is they try to trade by using their emotions, and you shouldn't be greedy. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you everything which you need to know about future trades. Okay, I'm going to teach you what to do and what not to do, and especially I'm going to point out few mistakes. Okay guys, now by the way, in case if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, now before I teach you some important strategies about future trades, first I'm gonna cover exchange, the best exchange for future trades. Guys, if you ask me, the best exchange for future trades is Bitget exchange. I personally use Bitget exchange. Now, some of you might be using Binance exchange. There's nothing wrong in using Binance, but the only thing is it has thousands of options. That's it. But on the other hand, Bitget is simple, easy, user friendly, and if you're following me on my Telegram channel, then you'll be knowing that I'm using Bitget exchange for future trades from very long time. So it's up to you to use Bitget exchange or Binance exchange. But if you ask my suggestion, I would suggest you Bitget exchange. And since my relation with Bitget exchange is very good, Bitget is offering high rewards only for my users. So under this Bitget exclusive bonuses, you can win up to $10,000 worth of rewards. And this activity offer starts on December 2nd to December 11th, 2022 UTC. So the first type of bonus is traders bonus. So during this period, if you trade at least with 100 USDT, then all traders can get a share from $4,000 worth of BGB tokens. Guys, the important criteria here is you should have created Bitget account using my referral links. So if you use my referral links to create an account, or if you have already used my referral links to create an account, then you will be eligible. So if there's more than 100 eligible traders, then you will get a share from $800 worth of BGB tokens, which is about 4000 BGP. And if there's more than 200 eligible traders, then you will get a share from $2000 worth of BGB tokens, which is about 10,000 BGP. And if there's about 500 traders, then you will get a share from $4,000 worth of BGP tokens, which is about 20,000 BGB tokens. And another offer is if you make your first P2P trade of at least 50 USDT, and if you trade that on any tokens which is about 50 USDT, then all qualified users will get 5 to 10 USDT rewards. The second type of bonus is trading volume competition. So during this period from 2nd December to 11th December 2022, if you trade and create $1,000 in trading volume, then all eligible users will get a share from $6,000 trading bonus. So in rank 1, if you achieve about 20 lakh USDT trading volume, then you will receive a $1,000 reward. And in rank 2 to 3, if you achieve about 10 lakh USDT trading volume, then you will receive a 300 USDT reward. In rank 4 to 10, if you achieve above 300,000 in trading volume, then each person will get $100 reward. And finally, all the users who achieves 1000 USDT trading volume will get a share from 3700 USDT trading bonus. And guys, please note this, okay? Users should register through my referral links, and you should complete KYC. Rewards will be distributed within 7 days once after the activity period ends. And it's very important to claim the bonus, okay? If not, it will expire after 7 days. Okay guys, now I'll show you what to do and what not to do in future trades. Okay guys, now first I'll tell you what you shouldn't do, like what are the mistakes in future trading. The first mistake is please don't use high leverage. Guys, I've seen people trading with 50x leverage, 100x leverage, and I've also seen few people trading with 125x leverage also. Guys, it might give you huge profits initially, or in case if you're lucky, but majority of the time you'll end up losing everything. And remember that higher the leverage, higher will be the risk. So on my Telegram channel, I give you signals, right? So you should select leverage based on how much I suggest. Usually I suggest around 5x to maximum 20x leverage, and not more than that. Okay, now the second point is how much should you invest in future trading? Guys, usually what happens is people will get carried away. Now for example, assume that a person has 1 lakh rupees investment in crypto. In case if he puts 5000 rupees in future trading, and in case if he makes any money, then what he'll do is he'll try to use that complete 1 lakh rupees in future trades. So guys, this is wrong. Guys, never ever put your complete portfolio onto future trades. 80% of your portfolio should be on spot wallet, and only 20% of your portfolio should be in futures wallet. So if you have 1 lakh rupee, then hold 80,000 rupees in crypto assets, and only use 20,000 rupees for future trades. Okay, now the third important thing is how much money should you invest on each trade. Guys, this part is very important. So as I already told you, if you have 1 lakh rupees with you, then 80,000 rupees should be in crypto assets, and the remaining 20,000 rupees should be used for future trades. So on each trade, you should not use more than 20% of that 20,000 rupees. So 20% of 20,000 rupees is 4,000 rupees. So on each trade, you should use only 4,000 rupees. Guys, usually what will happen is people will get carried away, and they'll invest everything. And in case if the trade gets liquidated, then they'll lose everything. So guys, try avoiding this mistake, okay? Invest only 15 to 20% on one trade. And usually when I give signals, I'll also mention how much percentage of funds should be used in each trade. Guys, I usually suggest 10 to 15% funds on one trade. Now the fourth point is safeguard your profits. Now for example, assume that you put $100 onto a trade, and you made $30 in profit. So out of this $130, move your $30 profit to spot wallet, or don't use that profit, okay? Now the fifth point is always try to open your trades under isolated margin, and unless you're a professional trader, don't use closed option. Okay, now what's the difference between these two, cross margin and isolated margin? Now for example, assume that you have $100 in your futures wallet, and you just opened a new trade under cross margin, and you just invested like $30 into this trade. Now if the trade goes wrong, then you lose this $30, and you'll also lose that $70 balance which you have on your futures wallet. In case if you open a trade under isolated margin, then you lose only this $30, and the remaining $70 on your futures wallet will not be affected. Okay guys, now the next important thing is you should have patience. Now whenever I give a new trade, and if the trade immediately goes to -5 or -10, then people will start panicking. Guys, please don't panic, okay? The trade going to +10 or -10 is normal. So usually my trade lasts from few hours to almost a week. So just relax, and don't panic. In case if you panic, then you'll mess up everything. Now the last and the important thing is please don't borrow money or take loans to invest in cryptocurrency, or to trade on futures. Guys, believe me, if you do that, then your life will become miserable. So please completely avoid taking loans. Guys, I'll be making one more video where I'll be explaining all small things in detail, okay? And in that next video, I'll also show you how to open a new trade by reading my signals which I post on my Telegram channel. And guys, by the way, in case if you are not following me on my Telegram channel, then make sure you follow me there. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. And guys, please to drop a like on this video, okay? Please do drop a like on this video, guys. And in case if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now in case if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.